Happy Father's Day. Yo, yo, yo. Father's Day is soon, and this one is going out to all of them. Whether it was playing catch or tea time, you've done the most for family, and it's time to honor you. Happy Father's Day! Oh my God, this is a Father's Day video. You should know why I'm here. You know why I'm here. Tell them why I'm here. Fine. We're doing both a Father's Day video and a copycat recipe. Why is that? Because orange chicken is one of my father's favorite things. Yo, the singing thing, been there. You're getting off topic. You're the worst. Whatevs. Video. Stay tuned for a copycat recipe, Panda Express orange chicken. Welcome to Mama Reubo's kitchen. Though my parents split while I was young, my dad worked his butt off to take care of his mother, my two brothers, and I. Like, between working and cooking and cleaning, being a caretaker, and parenting 3 adolescent growing boys, he always was able to have Chinese takeout on most Saturdays. I even remember him getting it for Thanksgiving one year when we went over to families. So Dad, I found the recipe for you so I can make it for you anytime. Happy Father's Day. Here it is. Start by cutting 2 pounds of boneless chicken thighs into cubes about 1 inch and set aside. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Now you can use black pepper if you can't find it. To that, we're gonna add 1 cup of cornstarch and 2 cups of flour. Then we're just gonna whisk this to combined. Now you're supposed to add 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of oil along with 2.5 cups of water, but I added the water first and then the egg and then the oil, but don't do what I did. Add 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of oil and then 2.5 cups of water. And then we're gonna mix this until it reaches the consistency of pancake batter. Add the chicken to the batter and then this goes into the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Now I have some oil heated to 350 degrees and we're gonna fry the chicken until it's lightly golden brown, about 5 or 6 minutes. Just make sure you do it in batches because you don't wanna overcrowd the oil. Remove the chicken and transfer it to either a wrap-lined baking sheet or a paper towel-lined plate. Now set a heavy bottom pot or pan over a medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of minced ginger, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And then cook this for 30 seconds, stirring constantly. Add 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar and stir to combined. Add in 1/4 cup of orange juice and stir to dissolve the sugars. Add in 1/4 cup of white vinegar and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and then stir to combined. Now in a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water together and whisk to make a slurry. Now add that slurry to the sauce and stir constantly. Cook the sauce until it gets to a syrup consistency. Then you're gonna add the chicken and stir until it's completely coated. Top with 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, but that's optional. Then have with some white rice, some fried rice, or some chow mein noodles, and you have deliciousness on a plate. Happy Father's Day again, and especially to my dad. Love you bunches, Dad. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And comment below what you plan to do for Father's Day, or what your father's favorite dishes are, and if you plan on cooking them for him. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.